Hello everyone, I am Umra Khan from St. Thomas College, class 9. I am going to represent a video on first recipient of Mahavir Chakra. The Mahavir Chakra, the nation's second highest gallantry award, was instituted by the President of India on 26 January 1950 for acts of gallantry in the presence of the enemy on land, at sea or in the air. During the operations in Cyclot sector on 8 September 1965, Lieutenant Colonel Harbans Lal Mehta was commanding his battalion in an attack. Unmindful of his own safety, he exhibited rare courage and personally led the assault despite being wounded in the battle. He kept inspiring his men and provided leadership and direction at crucial movement of battle, for which he was awarded Mahavir Chakra posthumously. Lieutenant Colonel Harbans Lal Mehta hailed from Delhi and was born on 15 September 1922. Son of Shri D.C. Mehta, Lieutenant Colonel Harbans Lal Mehta completed his education in Dove College and joined the army on 15 December 1946 at the age of 24 years. He was commissioned into 4 Madras at the Madras Regiment, an infantry regiment with a rich history of bravery and numerous battle exploits. By the year 1965, he had been promoted to rank of Lieutenant Colonel and had taken over as the commanding officer of 4 Madras Battalion. As the war clouds were gathering in 1965, 4 Madras got deployed in the western sector. On 8 September 1965, Lieutenant Colonel Mehta unit was tasked to capture Maharaj K in Cyclot sector. As a part of ongoing operation, the troops under the leadership of Lieutenant Colonel Mehta crossed the Keys fire line on 8 September 1965 at around 200 hours. However, their advance was thwarted by strong enemy defenses. Analyzing the situation, Lieutenant Colonel Mehta then ordered his officers to clear the objective trench by trench. In the fierce fight that followed, many enemy trenches were cleared, guns were destroyed, and heavy casualties were inflicted on the enemy. However, the enemy refused to surrender, and the daylight was approaching. And also, Lieutenant Colonel Mehta found that one of his reserve companies was held up by unforeseen opposition from a flank. As the time was running out, Lieutenant Colonel Mehta, disregarding his personal safety, went forward and personally led the assault. Inspired by his presence in the forefront of the assault, Lieutenant Colonel Mehta made presence on the attack, which resulted in the collapse of the enemy's stronghold. However, during the heavy exchange of fire, Lieutenant Colonel Mehta got hit by bullets and was seriously injured. He later succumbed to his injuries and was martyred. Lieutenant Colonel Mehta was a valiant soldier and a clearly commanding officer who led from the front like a fine military leader. Lieutenant Colonel Harbans Lal Mehta was given the nation's second highest gallantry award, Mahavir Chakra, standing bravery, leadership, camaraderie and supreme sacrifice. Now I am going to tell how Colonel Santosh Babu motivates me to do my best for my motherland, India, till my last breath. He not only motivates me but motivates everyone. He fought until his last breath without thinking about him and his family. He just for his country. His love towards our country inspires and motivates me to join the Indian Army. When we see an army officer, our hand automatically wants to salute them. It is amazing to do something for our nation and really dream to serve the nation as army officers. The army protects from all kinds of terrestrial attacks. They make sure that each and every citizen of the country stay on the borders like a protective wall. I am really inspired by Santosh Babu as he was fearless and courageous, and I want to be like him. Big salute to all the brave soldiers of the Indian Armed Force who laid down their lives fighting for our nation. It's hard to thank to all our soldiers for giving us freedom to live the life. Thank you for your hard work, strength, bravery, committed and dedication to protect this country, and for that we are forever grateful. You had given up so much for this country which cannot be repeated. I recognize the selflessness you have demonstrated with your willingness to serve our country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.